Hello, my name is Elvira. In my YouTube channel, I have videos where I am introducing everyone with the МАРИЙ people who lives in the United States. But today I would like to introduce you to the very talented Natasha Venina.
Sayıldam, салам лиже, поро кече, поро каз, жабда поро лиже. Это все приветствие на моем родном марийском языке.
That's how she greets her students who study the indigenous МАРИЙ language. She is an online МАРИЙ language instructor. Her love for the МАРИЙ language started in her early years. She is happy that her parents spoke with her in their native language since her childhood. Then, at her school, where her МАРИЙ language teacher Maximova Lyubov also taught her to love the language. She continued to perfect her МАРИЙ language at the МАРИЙ State University in Yoshkar-Ola, the Republic of МАРИЙ. She has students from many different countries. She uses very specific teaching methods. She is very often interviewed by different television and radio stations. Also, the newspapers of the Republic of МАРИЙ. Natasha is often involved in different forums and meetings where people discuss the problems regarding the МАРИЙ language. She designs calendars in the МАРИЙ style. Where models are wearing the national dress from their regions. She also designs t-shirts and accessories in the МАРИЙ style. She likes knitting and embroidery.
Снимаю со станка свой шестой палантин.
She also has her own loom, so she makes beautiful scarves of very high quality. She works with graphic designers to help make music videos for the МАРИЙ singers. As a МАРИЙ language teacher, she is concerned about the situation with the МАРИЙ language. The problems is the school and the parents not very willing to teach their children their native МАРИЙ language. She would like to change the situation for the best of the МАРИЙ people. Hopefully, we can together preserve the МАРИЙ language. Thank you, Natasha, for your hard work and dedication to preserve the МАРИЙ language. Also, thank you for all the materials to make this video. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Elvira from America.